You earned everything that you have read, because there is no reason as to why you should have the interest. You even agree to spare your time to sit down and read, and yet when you're reading, you don't understand. That one is not fair. It is only fair that if you are committed to your studies, if you agree to spare your time to sit down and read, it is only fair that you should benefit by understanding everything that you have read. Now the reason why many students they read and they don't understand, it is not because you cannot understand. What I know is that anybody who can make it into a secondary school the way you have done, especially a good secondary school like this one of yours, you are very intelligent, such that if you read something from a book or even from a newspaper, you should be in a position to understand. Even anybody who can stand a general conversation, when you're conversing about general things with your friends in the dormitory, and you don't get confused, you don't go astray, you don't say something irrelevant, it means you're very intelligent, such that if you read something from a book or even from a newspaper, you should be in a position to understand. Now the reason why when they read and they don't understand is because many times we use wrong methods for studies. And one of the major problems as when they read and they don't understand is that many of us as students, when we sit down to read, we read so many things in one given study session. If you read so many things in one given study session, it is unlikely that you will understand. There are some students who start reading from what is biology, as you first covered when you joined in Form 1, and they read through everything until what you covered yesterday. And then you tell your friend that me this evening I was reading biology, but if your friend challenges you and asks you what did you read in biology, you keep quiet because you read so many things and in the process you did not understand. So for you to read and understand, what I'm suggesting is this. Well, I'm not saying that there is anything wrong with reading everything at a go.